This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Raquel Ricci. Come see this fabulous ranch located in Elizabeth Park, a best-kept secret neighborhood located in Norfolk. Enjoy taking your kayak on the Elizabeth River. Open floor plan, recently renovated kitchen, bedrooms and master bathroom. Near the park and right to hop on the tide and go. Near interstates, shopping and restaurants. Roof is 3 years old with warranty transferable to buyers. Windows all replaced in June 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Raquel Ricci at 757-679-2456.